Hello students, welcome to MJC Education. Today we are going to learn about files and folders and also tips and tricks for efficient file management in the subject computer education. So let's begin. First let's see what are files. File is simply a collection of information that is stored on your disk. Generally every file must have a unique name. Every file has two parts, the file name and the extension, separated by a period or dot sign. For example, here file1 is the name of file and .docx is the extension of the file. Then extensions. Use of extensions makes your file more descriptive. For example, .doc or .docx denotes Word document. Similarly, .xls or .xlsx denotes Excel document. And .ppt and .pptx denotes PowerPoint document. And likewise. Then directories. Directory is also known as a folder. A directory is a collection of files typically created for organizational purposes. It is one way of organizing the files on your computer, hard disk. In that, root is known as one basic directory and there are subdirectories. Here C is a root directory. Now let's see how to create new folder. To create a new folder, you just right click with mouse, go to new and select folder. So here new folder has been created and we can rename our folder as folder 1. So our new folder has been created. There's one more method. Just go to this option and click here and your new folder will be created. So these are two methods for creating folder. For renaming this folder, just right click on the folder or select rename and give the folder new name, folder 2. Or there is one more method. Go to folder name and press F2 and you can rename your folder. So this is the method to create and rename folder. There's one more method. Just double click on the folder name and you can rename your folder 1, 2, 3 and press enter. So in this way our folder can be created and renamed. Now let's see basic file management techniques. Organization is the key to file management. Otherwise you will keep searching for files. Everything will be messed and jumbled up and you will not understand what to do. Therefore here I am telling you few techniques which you can use while working with files. First is use the default installation folders for program files. For example, use C drive for installation of operating system and C program file directory for application programs, because installing applications elsewhere will be confusing and unnecessary. Next is create folders in a logical hierarchy while nesting folders within folder. For example, sales folder may contain subfolders as 2018, 2019, 2020 and so on, which in turn may contain folders for each month of a particular year like January, February, March and so on. Then follow the naming conventions. That is, avoid using some special characters like /, question mark, greater than sign, less than sign, backward slash, colon, asterisk, piping symbol, double quotes, etc. while writing file or folder names, because these are prohibited in Windows. Then be specific, give files logical and special file names, and also include dates if possible. Don't give any complicated names. Next is call your files regularly. Mark your files old or inactive when you are not using it frequently. Keep your folders uncluttered by clearing out old files regularly. So these are few tips which will be helpful for you in file management. That's all in this video. Thank you.